In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Zoom on mobile, quick and simple. If you want to start a Zoom meeting from your phone without any confusion, this process is very straightforward. You'll be using the Zoom mobile app, and once you know where the main options are, it only takes a minute to get everything set up. First, open the Zoom app on your phone. If you haven't launched it in a while, give it a moment to load fully so all the meeting options appear correctly. Once the app is open, sign into your Zoom account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you use more than one, especially if you're creating meetings for work, school, or personal use. After you're signed in, tap New Meeting. This is the option that lets you instantly create and launch a meeting from your mobile device. Before starting, you'll see an option for video on. Turn that on if you want your camera enabled as soon as the meeting begins. If you'd rather join with your camera off at first, you can leave it disabled and turn it on later inside the meeting. Next, tap Start a Meeting. Zoom may ask for permission to use your camera or microphone, so allow those if needed. That's important because without those permissions, people may not be able to see or hear you properly. Once the meeting starts, tap Participants. This is where you can manage who joins and send invitations to others. Inside that section, tap Invite. Zoom will then give you a few different ways to send the meeting details. For example, you can use messages, email, or copy link, depending on what's easiest for you and your participants. Choose the method you prefer, then send the meeting link to the people you want to join. If you're using copy link, you can paste it into a chat app or anywhere else you normally communicate. If you're using email or messages, just send it directly from there and make sure the invitation goes to the right people. After that, all that's left to do is wait for your participants to join. When everyone is ready, you can begin your meeting normally and continue with your call. A quick tip before you start. It's always a good idea to check your internet connection, microphone, and camera before inviting others so everything runs smoothly from the beginning. And that's how to create a meeting in Zoom on mobile.